How to change your login password on Moomoo. Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, we are gonna learn how you can easily change your password on the Moomoo application. So let's get started. First, launch open Moomoo app on your device and sign into your account. From the home page or the watchlist page, go to the bottom center and tap on Me. Once you're inside the Me menu, go ahead and scroll all the way down and click Settings. Underneath your Settings menu, click on Passwords and Security. Now, click on Change Login Password and now enter your current password in the first field. After typing down your current password, head over to the next field and type in a new password you want to change to. Enter the new password once again in the last one and finally click Save at the top right corner. Now, you'll need to log in again with your newly updated password. Tap on Login again and enter your user ID or your email and type in the new password you just changed to every time you try to log in from now onwards. Finally, click Continue and you have successfully logged in to your Moomoo account with the newly updated password. That is how you easily update your password on Moomoo. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.